So I have this refrigerator, Maytag, and it's supposed to be 10 years. It's been like 5-6 years old. So the issue with this one was, you know, the food, see the eggs, everything is frozen. Drinks on the supposed to be the fresh food side. Of course, it's two door. Maytag. It's here in my garage. There's a second refrigerator. So I tried to find out, try all the setting, commanded. Yeah, but the weird thing I found after I opened it says max, recommended minimum. But it seems this, when you say max, basically you minimize how much air is going. Because what's happening here, see this, the evaporator is there. And this is the door. All air, and it's turn off. Like the freezer for the fresh section. And this selector, when you see now it's supposed on max. But see how it's horizontal. So when it's horizontal, that means it will block the airflow to the lower side completely. You know, you recommended it's only like 45 degrees, have the one. And then when you put it on minimum, it will be vertical 90 degrees, so it will allow the max air to go through the tunnel. That's confusing. So it's max, I think, for the freezer. Means it's minimum down, so that's what I was trying to put it on max, so it shouldn't block the cold air down. I'm gonna try and see what's going on, let you know, guys.